Escape to your own secluded haven among the mountains of Coker Creek at 145 Barney Creek Road in Tellico Plains. On over 6.5 acres of serene privacy is this charming 3-bedroom, 2-bath custom log home. It's the perfect blend of rustic elegance and modern convenience. Unwind in the tranquility of your surroundings. From the great room on the main level with a spacious, fully equipped kitchen, integrating with your dining area. And the bedrooms are equally spacious and private, enhancing the main floor. And upstairs, including an expansive landing. Convenience abounds on this property with a 2-car detached workshop. It features heat and air, not to mention a convenient half bath. You also have an unfinished upper level that's primed for expansion or potential apartment living. The additional 1-car detached garage includes its own work area, plenty of upper storage, and its own storage shed. Only a 15-minute drive from Tellico Plains, you can embrace the beauty of nature, delighting in the wildlife while you explore your own backyard trails. Make 145 Barney Creek Road a stop for your private tour. Call Kevin Ross of Delozier Realty and Auction at 865-681-7797.